In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate the UCS coordinates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rotate your user coordinate system in AutoCAD so your drawing aligns the way you need it to for precise drafting and measurement. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD and make sure you're focused on the exact area where you want to make the change. Zoom in or pan so you can clearly see the objects you'll be working with. It helps to be in model space and to glance at the UCS icon in the corner so you know how your X, Y, and Z directions are currently oriented. Remember, rotating the UCS doesn't move your geometry, it simply changes your working axes, so drawing and input align with your target orientation. Next, bring up the UCS command. The quickest way is to type UCS in the command line and press enter. You'll see prompts in the command line guiding you through your options. Staying in the command line for this keeps the process fast and consistent, especially if you repeat it often. AutoCAD will now ask how you want to define the new UCS. Here, you'll choose the axis to rotate around by typing Z, X, or Y and pressing enter. Think of Z as the vertical axis, perfect when you want to spin the plan around on screen, such as aligning a building wing to the screen's horizontal. Choose X when you need to rotate around the horizontal axis, often useful for adjusting elevation views or tilting the UCS front to back. Pick Y when rotating around the depth axis makes sense, such as swinging side to side in a 3D setup. As you make your choice, keep an eye on the UCS icon or view cube so you understand which axis you're pivoting around. Finally, enter the angle of rotation when prompted. By default, angles are in degrees. Positive angles follow the standard right-hand rule and typically rotate counterclockwise when you're looking down the axis. For example, a 90-degree rotation around Z will turn your x-axis to where your y-axis was, which is great for squaring a skewed floor plan to the screen. If the result is the opposite of what you expected, try a negative angle like 90 instead of 90. After you press enter, the UCS and grid will update to reflect the new orientation. If something doesn't look right, simply undo and try a different axis or angle. You can repeat the UCS command as needed until your working axes match your design intent. That's it. With these steps, you can rotate your UCS quickly and confidently to keep your workflow clean and efficient.